Guys, in today's video I'll be reviewing two viral brightening body lotion. I'll be telling you which one you should be getting for yourself and which of them is worth your money. Now this one right here is the Naturewell Clinical Vitamin C Brightening Moisture Cream. It claims to brightens complexion, visibly enhances skin tone, and also reduces discoloration. And this one right here is the Eucerin Urea Repair 10% Urea Intensive Moisturizing Lotion. It claims to intensively moisturize your skin for 72 hours, relieves itch, and smoothens your skin. Let's find out in this video which of these two lotions actually delivers on its claims and which of them is best to treat your hyperpigmentation and your dark spots. Let's get started. I'll be doing a strict comparison about these two products. I'll be telling you its packaging, its texture, its ingredients, its price point, in fact, everything you need to know about these two products. So when you're going for your next purchase, you already know what to do, what to look out for, especially if you're targeting hyperpigmentation or dark spots. So let's talk about the packaging of these two products. Now I'll be starting off with the Naturewell. This comes with this really girly, beautiful peach color as the main base and the white on top. For the packaging, it comes with this cup and this lid that has a dispensing pump. There are some that comes with just the cup and the lid with no dispensing cup. Those ones that don't come with dispensing cup, they usually have like a scoop inside of it you can use to scoop out the amount of products you need at a time, so you don't have to just dip your finger inside the product. Okay, the only challenge I have with the packaging of this product is this pump. Most times you still have lots of products inside this cup and the dispenser or the dispensing pump will not bring out the product. You'll just be pressing and pressing, nothing will come out. Meanwhile, you have lots of products in there, so you just have to open yourself and take the amount of products you need. So if Naturewell can really handle that, like work on this pump so you don't have to start struggling just to get your product out, that would be amazing. Okay, but if that is not a problem for you, you can go for this or you go for the other one that doesn't have a pump. It really looks really beautiful, don't it say? It looks beautiful and nice. So over to the Eucerin. This is the Eucerin Urea Repair Body Lotion. It comes with this bottle and a pump for easy dispensing. Its main color is white, as you can see, with a touch of blue. There's really nothing so different. Its packaging is just regular, nothing special, nothing different. If you are very particular about the packaging of your product, you mean the color, the way it looks in your skincare routine, you might want to go for the Naturewell. But if you don't really care so much about the packaging, your point is the content or what it delivers, then you might want to go for this Eucerin. One thing you should also know about this Eucerin, I'm going to put a picture here. There are two types. This is the 250 ml. So the 400 ml has a pump, is bigger than this. It has a dispensing pump, same color, different size, and instead of this, there's a pump there. So that's the difference. Talking about the effectiveness, which I know most of you have been waiting for, I'm going to spill the tea here. I'm talking about this. I have used this lotion for 3 good years. So if I tell you anything about this lotion, best believe me. When it comes to effectiveness, I mean if this lotion can fade your hyperpigmentation, can it brighten your dark spot, can it improve your skin radiance. I mean every little thing the product claims, which is brightens complexion, visibly enhances skin tone, reduces discoloration. I can tell you for a fact that this lotion will do every single thing they just said they would do. Talking from someone who has been pregnant twice, who has dealt with postpartum hyperpigmentation twice, I can tell you for a fact that this works. This works. Okay, take it from me. It will fade your hyperpigmentation, it will fade your dark spots, it will improve your skin radiance, it will do all that for you. but you just have to be patient with it. It is not something you're going to use in 7 days and you're going to see results. Use it consistently in your routine, repurchase it, and you will see those benefits I just talked about. For this lotion, which is the one from Eucerin, this will do more of hydrate your skin than brighten your skin. Okay, it will hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin as compared to Naturewell. Now let me give you a hint most people are not aware of. When you combine this with this Naturewell, I mean you use this in the morning and you use this at night every day for 14 days, oh my god, this combo is mind-blowing. This is what I've been secretly doing since January. Most of you guys have been asking me, your skin has really improved, your skin tone has changed, a lot of things have improved on your skin. Patients spill the tea, what is going on? This has been the secret since January. I use this in the morning and I use this in the evening. When you try this for 14 days, for that your stubborn hyperpigmentation and your dark spot, come and tell me in the comment section what you experience, because your skin will be banging. I mean, if they see your skin from afar, if I did glow from your skin will blind your enemies. I am telling you, this is what I've been secretly doing that has improved my skin radiance. And I was like, oh my god, where have I been all this while? Why didn't I start this combo sooner? Because my skin is really skinny, girl. Trust me, these 2 lotions will brighten your skin, moisturize your skin, improve your skin radiance, your hyperpigmentation, and your dark spot. There's something I need to explain to you guys, because some of you do not understand what it means to brighten or to lighten. Now that I'm talking about this 2 combo that I've used and how it has improved my skin radiance, I know some of you now, you're on your way to go and get this 2 lotion, hoping it will give you 5 shades lighter because patients said so. No. I said this 2 lotion will brighten your skin, improve your skin radiance, help fade that hyperpigmentation and dark spot. I didn't say it will make you fair or change your skin tone or give you 5 shades or 6 shades lighter. This lotion will not do that for you, so don't go and be disappointed. But what this 2 lotion will do for you is this. Look at me. It is going to give you that overall radiance, brighten your skin, and give you that healthy glow, which is what I've been preaching on this channel. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's talk about the ingredient list. And this is the reason why this lotion are doing what exactly they are doing. This lotion contains vitamin C, not just any type of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, which is the most potent form of vitamin C. You see, while it is super active, it has a mild percentage of retinol, which will help you with anti-aging, with texture, with dark spots, and with discoloration as well. It also contains jojoba seed oil, grapeseed oil. All this oil are going to help you moisturize your skin, keep your skin healthy and firm. You see the ingredient list, it is with intention, and they really paid attention to the ingredients in this product. That is why you see it has a targeted skin concern that it works for, because of the ingredient that are there. The Eucerin, it contains 10% of urea. Now, urea in this percentage will help with mild exfoliation. That is why I was advising you that when you're using this lotion, use it at night, because it not only moisturize your skin, it is mildly exfoliating your skin. And for me, if you have gotten to that 30-year mark, you want to mildly exfoliate your skin. You don't want to go vigorous in exfoliating your skin, because your skin is kind of lacking moisture at that time. A lot of things are kind of declining when you hit 30. So this is kind of mildly exfoliating your skin. Okay, so you see the benefit. It's exfoliating your skin, it's moisturizing your skin. It also has ceramide. You know the benefit of ceramide. It's going to moisturize also, keep your skin plump. You know that your skin that lack that moisture is going to keep them intact. And it also has this NMF, which is the natural moisturizing factor. This lotion is basically made with just 3 ingredients. I will not even say just 3 ingredients, 3 powerful ingredients. These 3 ingredients are packed to do 2 major things. 1, to moisturize, 2, to mildly exfoliate. So when you add these 2 combo together, sis, your skin will be transformed. Just put in the work, by getting this, and leave the rest to me. Just leave the rest to me. Use it for 2 weeks like I said, and you will see amazing results in your skin, because this is what I've been using since January. My skin has greatly improved. I have seen a lot of changes in my skin that I want, and I'm sticking to this. I've been using this for 3 years. I just added this now to show you how far I have gone with this. I have used several of this lotion. Okay, these are just some that I had to keep because of this video. I've used more than this. All right, so it does work. If I come here to review any lotion for you, you know that I mean business. It has worked for me, and that is why I'm showing you, because I do not want you to waste your money trying to search for lotions that will give you the results you want. So this is what this lotion is going to do for you: moisturize, brighten with the help of this. Next, I'm talking about the size of these two products. To start with is this one from Naturewell. This is quite big with 454 grams in size, while the Eucerin is 250 ml in size. Also note that these come in two sizes. This one is 250 ml. There's another one that comes in 400 ml. Okay, so you can see this is quite small. This is like 2 of this is this one. So either you go for this or you go for the bigger size of 400 ml. Now, depending on your pocket size, because of course the 400 ml will be more expensive than this. So these are the two sizes. This is small, this is big. Talking about the price point, this costs about 30,000 naira to 32,000 naira. Now, depending on your vendor and your location, the price varies. All right, while this one costs 27,000 naira to 30,000 naira, depending on your vendor and your location. Also know that the bigger size of this will be more expensive. I really can't tell how much that is. I've not gotten it. I'm always getting this one. This is the one I always lay my hands upon. I've been looking for that actually, but I've not been able to get. If you want to splurge on skincare, you do not mind, because you know what you're getting, you can go for this. Now, if you have a little tight budget, you might not want to go for this. Okay, so that's for the price point. If you want my advice on these two lotions, I would say if you have a lot to really splurge on skincare, you want to make an exceptional changes in your skin, I'd say go for both. Go for both. Use this in the morning, use this at night. That is my recommendation. If you have, listen to me, if you have enough to splurge, go for the two. Talking about the texture of these two lotions, I'll start with this. It's quite thick in consistency. The texture is thick, but when you apply on the skin, it glides easily. It's very, very moisturizing. When I say very moisturizing, it is very moisturizing. It gives that instant glow to your skin. When you have dry to very dry skin, Eucerin didn't lie to you when they said this lotion is going to give you 72 hours of moisture. Talking from experience, from someone who has a very dry skin, this has been my savior. I have incorporated this in my routine since January, when my skin was super dry, the worst it has ever been, and this was a game changer in my routine. So if you have a dry skin, you have tried and nothing has worked for you, incorporate this lotion into your routine and you will be amazed at what it will do to your skin. It will moisturize your skin, keep it smooth, soft. You see everything David said here, it will do it for you. It will moisturize your skin. If your skin is itchy, it will relieve your itchy skin. It will smoothen your skin. Your skin will just look like that baby skin, because it will be so smooth and soft. Talking about the Naturewell Vitamin C lotion, it is also a thick lotion. When you on the hand, it feels like a thick lotion, but when applied on the skin, it is not greasy, it is not tacky. It is also moisturizing, but I'll tell you, it is not as moisturizing as the Eucerin. This is more moisturizing as compared to this. That is why this is good for dry to very dry skin. But this one you can also use if you have dry skin, but if you have a very dry skin, you might want to go for this. Or alternatively, you can use this, then top it up with a very good body oil to seal in that moisture. Another thing I noticed about this lotion, from someone who has been using this lotion for the past 4 years now. I have used this lotion for, I've used this lotion that long. Oh my god, this lotion is amazing. But if you have a dry skin, after applying this lotion on your skin, after some minutes it tends to just dry off. It feels like you have nothing on your skin, like it doesn't linger. The moisturizing benefit doesn't really linger. That glow isn't there unless you top it up with a body oil. Unlike this, when you apply on your skin for the next 24 hours, you still feel your skin looking moisturized and all that. So for the texture, that is how both of them is. So you make your choice depending on what your skin wants at this time. Let's talk about the fragrance. For my sensitive girlies, I would like to emphasize on if any of these products have fragrance. For this will be very, very beneficial for those of you that have sensitive skin, because it is fragrance free. This is fragrance free, so it doesn't have any scent to it. It's just there. So if you have a sensitive skin, you will enjoy this because it doesn't contain any alcohol, paraben free, no dye, no fragrance whatsoever. While this is fragrance, yes, it has this slight freshy citrusy smell to it. All right, it's slightly fragrance, but you should know that this fragrance is not overpowering. It doesn't linger for too long. When you apply this lotion, just after a few hours, the scent tend to kind of disappear, like you won't even perceive anything. But while you're applying it on your skin, you definitely perceive that citrusy kind of smell, which is, to me, is quite nice. I love the smell. Okay, but if you are allergic to anything fragrance or anything, you might want to opt for this if you have a sensitive skin. The last tip I'll be giving you in this video is the use of sunscreen. If you are using actives like this in your routine, you want to be consistent with the use of your sunscreen. Always make sure you use your sunscreen whenever you're under the sun or your job entails you always being under the sun. Use your sunscreen. Make sure you reapply every 2 hours. And even though you're using your sunscreen, use other protective clothing like a visor hat if you have. You can use an umbrella. You can also wear long clothing, maybe a long sleeve or a trousers, to cover some parts of your body where your sunscreen might not be able to get to, okay? So that the effectiveness of this lotion will work well for you and to also protect yourself from ultraviolet rays. Alright, so this brings us to the end of this video. If this video was helpful to you, I'd like to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Also, put in the comment section if you have any challenges in your skin and what lotion you are using currently. I'd like to also learn from you guys. I'll see you in my very next video. Bye.